Today we're going to take a look at Anthony's Organic Golden Flax Meal. I've been using this for a while, and I think it's the best one on the market. As you can see, it's very finely ground and a really nice golden color. It dissolves easily in water if you're looking to use it as a thickener, and I love to put it in my yogurt to give myself a little bit extra fiber, because you can see that the nutritional facts in it are amazing. For 2 tablespoons, you're getting 4 grams of dietary fiber and even a little bit of protein. So if you're looking to increase your fiber, I highly recommend it. And also I've used it in like chicken coating and gluten-free bake mixes, and it works out great. So I highly recommend this Anthony's Organic Golden Flax Meal. It lasts a long time. It actually tastes good, and it's gonna really help you get your fiber, and you can use it for the egg substitute, which I've done, and it works great with that too. So I hope you enjoy it if you decide to buy it.